What's up, guys? Today you're joining me at Tint Pros Platinum Auto Wraps in Spring Lake Park, Minnesota. We've got my Model Y behind us. You'll notice the film there on the front end is now gone, and we're getting a whole bunch of stuff done here, and it's going to look completely different next time you see the car. So here we have it, my stock-ish 2023 Tesla Model Y. I peeled off the temporary protection film, washed it last night. It's gonna look completely different. Well, the time has come to pick up my Model Y freshly wrapped. You're gonna see it shortly. I'm not telling you what I did yet, but behind me is Model 3 Performance that I've been driving for the past few days. Put about 600 miles on it. Really actually liked it a bit, but also not at the same time. Really glad I went with the Model Y because this is just too low. And this one happens to be pretty slammed on some H&R coilovers. KWV3 coilovers. Has a little bit of a body kit going on side skirts, has a spoiler too. But not really my cup of tea, but it is pretty nice. Definitely a lot faster than my Model Y. But thank you to Tree at Tint Pros for letting me drive this while they had my Model Y. We're just about to head there and go pick it up, take a look at it. I've been seeing it for the past few days. I've been stopping in to see it. I've got some donuts and some Red Bull in the back seat for the guys there, and really looking forward to it. I'm gonna play some footage of as it was being done before you see it for the final reveal. Well, here we have it. It looks stock from here, but it's certainly not. So let me give you guys a full tour. We did STEK DYNOprism on the entire car. We also did windshield and full side window tint. Did a new emblem. We did a carbon fiber spoiler, and I'm gonna show you everything I did. So here it is. It looks pretty close to stock if you don't look too closely. It shows just quite blue, but this is actually a clear film with a very heavy metallic in it on top. So this, depending on what your base color is, it looks completely different. It looks pretty blue purplish on midnight silver, but on blue, it really shows the blue through and then adds that purple flip to it. On black, it's even wilder. It's like a galaxy. But we did full paint protection film on the entire car with this STEK DYNOprism. So it's not a wrap. It's actually a paint protection film because it's partially clear and it's thicker than a wrap material. We also have clear film on the headlights just to protect them, as well as the fog lights. So that's just for protection. You don't want the dyno effect on those. But on all the painted surfaces, we have the STEK DYNOprism. Windshield has a 70% ceramic window tint. So just add some heat rejection, but doesn't make it too dark. On the sides, we have a 25% tint on the front windows. And then on the rear, we have 50% just to make it a bit darker than factory. But with the white seats, you can still see in. So it's actually, it appears lighter than it is because of the white interior. Then you also have the light that comes in through the roof. We did not tint the top of the glass. But you can see as we move around how the color kind of shifts from blue to purple. Coming around back. So we have a spoiler here from EV Base. This is a carbon fiber spoiler, very OEM-like. Seems to be pretty good fitment. Hopefully it stays on and doesn't bow or anything. And then down here we have an Abstract Ocean performance emblem. So I went with the satin white. I wasn't 100% sure how I would like the satin white, but I think it was definitely the right choice for my car with this film on it. And I think it really goes well with the carbon fiber spoiler. It might look a little silly otherwise. I was pretty set on going with the satin black, but Crystal at Abstract Ocean convinced me to go with the satin white, and I could not be happier. I think it looks absolutely awesome. It actually pops, whereas the satin black I think would be kind of living in the shadow a bit and you wouldn't really see it. Maybe a little more subtle, but I like that. And then on the other side, again, the same thing. And the whole car is protected as well. So I am a huge fan of how this turned out. You can see on the bumper as well. So looking really good. Let's see from the inside with the window tint. So here we have it. You can see that it doesn't seem too dark. Of course, the camera adjusts a bit, but compared to daylight, just so you can get an idea there. And there's the back. So not too dark, not too light, just keeping the car nice and comfortable and kind of great to be in. But there we have my completely protected, look changed Model Y. We also have the Rally Armor mud flaps. And a huge shout out to Tint Pros, Platinum Auto Wraps, the shop here in Spring Lake Park. They also have a location in Medina, Minnesota. They've done probably 10 to 15 cars for me personally over the years. I don't even know how many, I've lost track. They take great care of me, my cars. I've sent so many people here and they take care of everyone that I've ever sent here. These guys, they take pride in their work and I could not be happier. So if you're in Minnesota, surrounding states, I know people come from as far as like North Dakota, Wisconsin, all over, but I mean, hell, I come from North Carolina to get my cars done here. If that doesn't speak to how much I like their work, I don't know what does. There are plenty of shops in North Carolina that could do this work and probably could do an adequate job, but I just really like coming here. And it's a good opportunity to visit friends and family, of course. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.